In this question, we are given two graphs of functions, g of x and h of x. We have a function defined where f of x is equal to g of x divided by h of x, and we want to find f prime of 2. We can start off by taking the derivative function. Because we have a function divided by another function, we will need to use the quotient rule. So if I am coming up with f prime of x, then this is going to equal the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. Now, we are specifically looking for f prime of 2, so I can go ahead and I can plug in a 2 anywhere I see an x. So that's going to give me h of 2 times g prime of 2 minus g of 2 times h prime of 2 all over h of 2 squared. So let's go ahead and find each of those values. Alright, so first we want to find h of 2. We look on our graph, and here is the h function. So I find 2 on my x-axis, and then I go up until I find the graph value, and that's looking like it's going to be 4.5. So we have 4.5 times g prime of 2. So if we're looking here at the g function, we want the derivative of the function at 2. Now the derivative of the function at 2 is another way of saying the slope of the tangent line. Since this is a straight line, we can just find the slope of the line itself. So if I started here and I ended here, I'm going down 1, 2, and then over 1. So that would give me a slope of negative 2 over 1, or just negative 2. So the slope of this line is negative 2, and that also means that the slope of the tangent line is negative 2. Therefore, g prime of 2 is negative 2. Let's see, g of 2, if I find 2 on the x-axis, and I go up to the graph, the y value there is 5, so g of 2 is 5. H prime of 2 is right here. And if I follow that point, I'd go up 1 unit, right 1 unit, and so therefore the slope is 1 over 1, which is just 1 for the left side of that graph. So we have 5 times 1 all over h of 2 squared, which is 4.5 squared. So if we do some simplification of this fraction, 4.5 times negative 2 is negative 9, minus 5 over 4.5 squared is 20.25. And so we get negative 14 over 20.25. And if you throw that into a calculator, that is approximately negative 0.69136. And that is how you approach this question.